This Xbox controller's a little bit poorly, so it was lost for ages and one of the kids found it, and these click, you might not be able to hear it, but the down doesn't, it's all spongy. So I'm going to have this apart and see what I can find out. Right, we're in here and it's grimy, but those do actually click. So let's have a look at this. I don't see any evidence of any shearing. Those are all clicking, but that top one isn't. I wonder if there's some plastic sheared off this. It doesn't look like it. It does look like that is a slightly different... Yeah, because you've got the three, haven't you? 1, 2, 3 that have got these little tabs. It's clicking there. I wonder if this wasn't putting enough pressure on it somehow. Just bending these into place, but this is pretty grimy. I probably bought this second hand, or I mean the kids don't exactly look after stuff very well. They're only little. So I think my best bet is just a general clean up and see what I can pull out of this. If I can get it a little nicer, and hopefully that will resolve the issue. IPA, vinegar, not that one. I always have to double check. It's definitely my bro tip is use a spray. Oh, where's my brushes? So much stuff on this desk, it's hard to find anything. My brother said, "Oh, your desk's so organised." I was like, Problem is having multiple projects on the go. Got a 4-track recorder that I opened up and then had to wait a month for the parts, and then, you know, trying to get back into it, and that was 6 months ago now. If I left the fibre in there. I'm starting to get to the point where I need close-up glasses. It's a sad thing, isn't it? Aging. No, that's just all. It's either a crack on the board or it's just. It's not a hair. I think that's a crack on the board. Doesn't seem to be going over any traces, so it's probably been banged about by boggling rage. It's moving okay. Main thing is this putting enough pressure. Just bending these down a little bit. I will give it a bit of a polish. I need something a bit. I'll just give that a little while to evaporate off. Everything else needs cleaning. Just give it a bit of a. Right. Click, 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 click. Right, and then this goes around this way. As far as I can tell, it all just does sit on the top. Yeah, but that is disgusting, so I am going to clean it. Probably the IPA. Everything looks nice and clean until it dries, and then you see it's still got all the scum on it. It never hurts to give something a bit of a scrub, does it? People have been telling me to do it for years. always get deodorant for Christmas. They know I don't use it. Don't want the aluminium on me, man. Try those natural ones, they don't work. There we go. That's a little bit less disgusting. Gusting, as my eldest used to say. It's gusting. Yes, nice. And then this, well, this could have a little bit of spit and polish, couldn't it? I'm not looking to deep clean this. I mean, I don't really care that much about. I'm not selling it, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But less gross is more good. It's not actually that bad. It's a bit grimy. Right, I've got to get the sequence of reconstruction correct. These have seen better days. Going to see if I've got a replacement for this one, because it's yeah, the rubber's pretty fatigued on it. It's all right, but and that looks like a dead Xbox pad, so maybe I've got some. Got some stick ends, these things, but they don't stay on, they're bobbins. A couple of motors, some PlayStation trigger parts, lots and lots of the pads that are supposed to go on them. Nice little wooden conversion kit for a PlayStation controller, but no, I do not have any thumbsticks. I mean, I've got some, but they're not PlayStation ones, not Xbox ones, and they don't have the rubber on the end anyway, so I've got a bunch of little joysticks, but they might not be the same size, and I'm not that bothered. So the kids can play Minecraft in it. I use an Elite controller. They're not having that. They'll ruin it in seconds. It'll be rage thrown. They're not that bad. I don't know what that tape's for, I don't remember that. Oh yeah, it's because it's got a missing button. Don't need that button, it just syncs it. It's already synced. This is back together. Buttons are responding. Down, click. It's fixed. Just needed a bit of a reassembly. All the buttons feel good. All right, time to give it back to the kids.
I've got a website. Remember those? gavd.co.uk.